Okay, so a network engineer is a builder, and you're someone that works with tools. You work with your hands. You're right in it. You're really doing the thing. That's your job as an engineer. Well, what do you do if you don't know something? Well, another job of the network engineer then is that of researching. It is up to you to figure out how to do the things that you don't know how to do. If we continue with the building metaphor, let's say you have to construct a set of steps and you don't exactly know how to cut the pieces to make that set of steps. How would you figure that out? You'd do a little research. You'd look in a book, you'd go on the internet, you'd do some homework to figure out how to build those steps. The same thing with network engineering. You're going to dig around, you're going to do some reading, you're going to do some studying, you're going to figure out exactly what it is that you need to do to make that thing happen. And this happens all the time with network engineering because you do not you do not know everything that you need to know as a network engineer right out of the gate. I don't care how many certs you've got, I don't care how much training you've got. The field that seemed dormant for so long where nothing changed in the last several years have begun changing so very, very much that to keep up is incredibly difficult and requires a great deal of dedication. So you're a builder, you're hands-on, and you're also a researcher because you've got to keep up with the latest and greatest building techniques as a network engineer.